So as a page is loading, the name of the band or the artist comes out as Galantis, and it's got a nice slick design of the white color font. And then it fully loads, and you can see straight away the black and white background of the two artists, and it's got this special effect to it where it keeps crashing. On the right hand side, you've got the latest album that they are advertising, so that people can click on it and listen to it and potentially buy it. So this is a way of advertising it. On the left hand side, you can see that there's different options that people can click on. So you've got tour dates, you've got music, you have about, you have merch, and you have contact. It is aligned on the left hand side, and it's nice and big so people can see. And again, it's got this white font, so they're going with this black and white color scheme while they still have these weird shapes with different colors on the sides. Under that, you can see it says find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Spotify and Apple Music. From this, you can see that they're using digital convergence, because they're showing you that you can listen to their music on different platforms and on different apps. If you click on tour dates, you will see that the background continues the same. It still has that black and white theme to it, and it still has kind of pink lines going through it. And as you see, you can easily just purchase tickets if you click on them, and it's nice and easy and it's not hard, which potentially can get you more profit from people purchasing your tickets. So now if you click on Galantis, it'll take you back to the home page, which is nice and easy. When you click on music, the same thing comes up, the same background, but this time you just have different stuff. Like you have this album, and you've got other albums that they are advertising on their page. Clicking back on Galantis, you've got about. As you can see that when you click on about, it's a bit different. There's more edits and it looks more fancy. Here you have a nice fancy theme saying who, which makes it more interesting. And then it just explains who the people actually are. When you click on merch, here on merch, it takes you to a different website where you can securely purchase other merch. However, it's a different website, but it still consists of the same color theme of having white and black, and then it's got those colors that the album has. So they just carry on with the color scheme even though it's a different website, which is a nice touch to it. And as you see, the last bit, contact, yep, they're still carrying on with the color scheme, and it's just everything's just nice and neat. You see booking and management and press contact, it is aligned in the middle of the page. It's not on the side or on the bottom, it's nice in the middle, so it's where people can see. It's nice and big so people don't have to like go next to it and see it, and it's just nice to look at. And it's still carrying on with the same background